What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you guys something neat, something pretty cool. I think this would be great for either your family, for gifts around the holiday, something to keep the kids entertained, or your customers. So it's just a little idea that may help you guys out when coming up with some ideas. So what we have today is a painting kit. And what I mean by that is we are going to be making our candle vessels completely white. We're making Christmas themed ones. So because with the holidays coming up, obviously is something pretty neat. But anyway, we've got the bags that we put them in, cute little stickers. So we've got Christmas stickers in there. We've got some paint pods, 2 paint brushes, and then we are adding our little final touches, cute little bow to dress it up, a tag, and on the back of the tag, we have how to paint your candles. Anyway, we're gonna make these today. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after it's painted. So, pretty cute. I'm not the best painter, by the way, but it's just fun, something to do, you know, get everybody around and off their cell phones. Spend some family time, especially around the holidays. Anyway, we've got our coconut soy wax. Nice little Christmas scent. You can use any other scent that you'd like. And I always like to add my little wooden wick, just because this time of the year, it's always nice to hear that little crackling sound while they're burning. Anyway, you can give these to your kids, have them paint them, and give them away to maybe grandma and papa for a gift. So just a couple little ideas. You guys, anything that you're interested in and purchasing, if you guys want to make your own, I've got everything listed in my Amazon storefront. So anyway, let's get to making these because these are so much fun.